Hi guys. So I'm actually not a beauty blogger, and this is the first time I'm gonna actually do a review on a beauty product. But because a lot of my friends and women, they were asking me how do I my eyeliner and what kind of eyeliner I use, I decided to just shoot a short video because I've been really happy with what I've been using for last 8 years, and I came back to it over and over again after trying so many other things. So I wanted to just talk about my experiences and show a very quick demonstration to how do I actually apply my eyeliner very easily. So over the last 20 years I've been using so many eyeliners, and I just noticed that gave up how old I am. Kinda I'm quite old. Anyway, so like I've tried so many things in, like, cheap like department stores, a very expensive one like NARS, Benefits, even this one that it came quite close. I liked it, but still not that what I wanted, Urban Decay, especially because you don't want to use waterproof eyeliners if your eyeliner is something that you wear every day like me, because like taking it off every night around the eyes is just gonna be difficult, and you don't want to, like, rub it out in front, in around your eyes. It's quite sensitive, and especially you wear it every day, you don't want something difficult to take off basically. So after trying so many things, this has been my choice for last 8 years, the Body Shop liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna show you why and how I do it. I've never done an eyeliners in front of the camera, so let's see. And then I do the pointy bit. And then I just connect the inner part to the thick bit. And yeah, that's it. So very easy, no messing around. It's just very easy. It quickly glides in, and especially for the thin pointy bit, it's quite easy. So let's see. I can demonstrate this one more time. Yeah, so yeah, that was it, and I think I proved my point. So yeah, so that was it, my very short video on a review on Body Shop liquid eyeliner. I've been very happy with it, and it just comes out with a little bit of soap and water very easily at night, so definitely I would recommend it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.